First, open the cushion. Please remember to turn off the air switch first. Unplug the power cord. Remove the battery. Remove the guard under the front of the scooter. Keep the screws and the screws on the right side. Remove the pedal under the feet. Lift up slowly. Take out the pedal. Remove the left side panel. Cut the cable ties that hold the power cord. Loosen the screws on the left side of the air switch, removing the positive and the negative terminals of the power cord. Remove the power cord. Then, replace the power cord with a new one, and connect the positive and the negative terminals. Tighten the screws. Secure the power cord with a tie. The following, replace the battery connector. Remove the screws around the battery. Open the battery casing. Detach the connected wires. Cut the sealant with a knife. Then you can remove the connector. Now, please replace the connector with a new one. Secure it with screws. Attach the pair of wires. To secure it, attaching the battery cover. Tighten the screws around it. Installing the battery. Then turn on the air switch. Turn on the display. Check if the power is on properly. Putting on fender when it's energized properly. Make sure the pedals fit into the dam board on the back. Slowly lower it. Put on the screws. Attaching the front plate. Ensure fixed with screws on both sides. Congratulations, you have finished the replacement.